This is the Wyze home monitoring bundle. This is everything that comes in the box. Some information about the item. Let's open the box. I received this box about a couple of weeks now. I never got the chance to open it. This is just the unboxing video. I will be doing a follow-up video after I do the installation to tell you how everything is functioning. This is the hub. This is the base station that every sensor gonna talk to, and the keypad at the front door. So this piece need to be connected to the internet, and this is the power where you plug your power cord to antenna on the side. Look like this is a speaker. Power brick. Ethernet cord and your power adapter. You also get a badge for backing them up. I've been collecting a bunch of those now. As you can see, you get a sticker to put on your window if you want to put them. If you want to use them or not, it's up to you. A user manual. You probably don't really need to use this. Over the years, I learned that Wyze make it pretty easy with the installation. All you need is your phone, and they just walk you straight to it. They are really easy to set up, no matter what you get from them. The keypad. So far, I feel like they feel like the build quality is really good. The keypad feel nice. Like when you press them, you get a not a feedback, but you do feel you pressing a button. It look like there's an alarm panic next to it. This is the motion sensor. And you get some screws to mount everything. And you also get 2 entry sensor in the starter kit, but I did purchase extra one. The extra one come, I think you can buy them in set of 3s. But let me just open one of them to show you what they look like. Oh, it's already working. Look at that. So this is everything that come in the box, excluding this extra pack that I bought. I will be doing a following video to let you guys know how everything is functioning. Thank you very much for coming to my channel. I really appreciate it. I will leave a link in the description if you're interested in getting this product. You can also get it through the Wyze website. Thank you very much. Have a good one.